When using table values to sketch absolute value functions, it is important, very important, that you will include the value of the vertex. And so how do we find the value of the vertex? So basically you can look at the expression inside the absolute value symbol only and just make that become 0. So for example, here you're going to make x become 0. Here you're going to make x plus 1 equal to 0. And over here, our third example, you're going to make x equal to 0. Now keep in mind, we don't make the whole thing become 0. We only make the expression inside the absolute value become 0 so that we can find the vertex. Okay? So let's go to each example. Example 1, y equal absolute value of x. So the vertex will be when x is equal to 0. So it will be good if we include number 0, the value x equals 0 in our table value. And then we find 2 more maybe value on the right hand side, 2 more value on the left hand side. And then we will find the y value for each of these. Okay, so absolute value of 1 is 1, absolute value of negative 1 is 1, and absolute value of negative 2 is 2. Now let's plot those points. So 0, 0 is our vertex, 1, 1, 2, 2, negative 1, 1, negative 2, 2. Connect those points and we should have the graph of the absolute value functions y equal absolute value of x. Okay, and we're done. Alright, so for each example, let's go through the same method. So let's work out the vertex, the value of the vertex first. So make x plus 1 equal to 0, then x should be negative 1. So we include x equal negative 1 in our table value. The next two value on the right will be 0, 1, negative 2, negative 3 on the left. And use this to find the y value. Okay, plot those points. That's our vertex. Connecting those points, we will have the graph of the absolute value functions. And we're done for the second example. Third example, do the same. So to find vertex, make the expression inside the absolute value symbol become 0. So x is 0 in this case. So choose 2 value on the right, maybe 2 value on the left. Find out the y value. Plot those points. Connect the point and we will have the graph of the absolute value functions. Note that they all have V shapes in the end, and the vertex is where the graph reflected. Okay, the